Hello.
Hi, hi, Sudhakar. Are you able to hear me?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Hello.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
Hi. Hi. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Oh,
I'm good too. I'm good too.
hi.
Hi. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Traders Talk, and today we'll be, having. Now we have, Mr. Sai Pratap, who is a trader for last like 4 years, and okay, he's trading in multiple cryptocurrencies and also trading on perpetuals. So we'll discuss how to, and today's topic is basically market analysis. So we'll discuss and we'll understand from Sai that know how we can do our own research. What are the elements we should keep in mind? What are the things we should keep in mind while researching the market analysis or fundamental analysis or everything. And yeah, welcome Sai once again. And if you can give a brief introduction about yourself, and then I'll start some of the questions.
Yes, sir. So I worked in IT for nine and a half years, and in 2021 bull market, right? I found this cryptocurrency very interesting, and also I understood that we can. I mean, I can move to other path by moving into the crypto market and Web3 technology and all. So while when trading the crypto markets, right, it's challenging and it's very interesting. So I started trading while I am doing the job, and in 2022 or 2023 beginning, I started full time crypto. So I found it very interesting, and I am doing the trading right now. Yeah.
Great. So when it comes to market analysis or analysis of any crypto, two terms generally comes up in the mind. Right? One is like technical analysis, and another is fundamental analysis. So if you can explain us, in the simplest way possible, what are these things? Like what is technical analysis and what is fundamental analysis? We can't hear you. You can rejoin probably. Sorry, you
Uh,
couldn't hear you.
I,
Can you repeat that?
can you hear me now, Sudhakar? Yeah. So fundamental analysis, right? So, for example, there is a new crypto project in the market. So we can. So what I look into the project is like so who and all partnered in the project, and what's the project like? Is it an L1 or a real world asset? So I mean, or AI related. So whether it is a hottest narrative or not. So that's the first thing I will see. If it's a hottest narrative and the good team is backing up the project, and so the tokenomics, if tokenomics is very good, then I will go into the technicals and draw the lines, right, charts and all, and I will see where to enter the trade and where to exit the trade. So this is how I will see the fundamental analysis, and also I will look into the total valuation of the project, market cap, everything. So and for that narrative, what is the highest market cap in previous bull markets? These and all things I will see, and depending on that, I will enter the trade. After seeing the fundamental analysis, I will draw the lines and get into the trade
This is
after.
the technical analysis. Okay.
Yeah. First I will go into the fundamental analysis. So this is if I am taking a long term trade. So if it is
Great.
short term, right, it's not a big deal, right? So if it's for next 3 days or 2 days, technical analysis is enough. Even like not very fundamentally sound coins also doing 40-50% in 1 week. So it depends, right? yeah, if I am holding for like 6 months, then I will definitely look into the fundamental analysis.
Got it. So, what is the entire process of this fundamental analysis and technical analysis? Now, if you also can now share your screen and make us go through the entire process, probably
Yeah,
technical and fundamental analysis, that probably if you can tell us.
yeah. Let me share my screen. Okay. So are you able to my? Okay, I think yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So let me.
Yes.
Okay. Like let's say I found a RWA narrative is very hot at this point of the market. Like BlackRock, I think
Real world.
they are all talking about tokenization of assets. RW, sorry.
Yes, real world assets is in projects like Undo
Uh,
and all those, right?
are you able to hear me? RWA will do very big real world assets will pump very big in next leg up. So if we see here, so this is BTC chart, right? Okay, so you see here, right? We pumped here and we did some we have some range here, and then the next leg up and then range. So there will be next leg up. So in this leg, right, I think real world assets will do big. So that's the first thing I see, which narrative will be doing will do big. So and then I will go to that. So this is the coin market cap where we can find the different coins and their market caps and everything about the coin websites, everything. So I will search in here and see whether I will go to the Ondo website to see the partners. So who and all are backing this project, right? So if the if there are big names, right, then we can invest in this project. See, um, so you can see here, right? BlackRock, Morgan Stanley,
Okay, these are
Coinbase,
projects backing up. Okay.
everything. We are at least um, in next 1 year. Okay, so see fundamentally, and then in coin market cap itself, we can
Your
see the
voice
fully
is
diluted. Sorry, my voice is lagging.
yeah, sometime. I think it's
Let me
better now.
see whether it is better. Okay, it's better now, right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, so that's how I will go to website from here and check who is backing. And so if you see circulating supply, right? So this is the first thing I will see. So there are tokens which will be released to the market. So if the tokens are released tomorrow, right, then there will be a lot of sell pressure, and we will be drowned in this tokenomics. So I will see whether when the next token unlock is there, and when the tokens will be released to the market. So if we go to so this website, right, tokenunlocks.app, this will guide you through the token unlocks. So I am checking on here. Okay, so the next token unlock is in next 224 days. So nothing to fear in near term. So the project is good. The tokenomics, even though there is too much coins yet to release into the circulating supply, but it is releasing in next year. So we are good to invest. Then I will go to the charts and see is it good time to invest or not, right? So if technical analysis is showing that it is good to invest in those coins. So this is how the complete process, the technical analysis, fundamental analysis I will do. So apart from that, news events, any other things, even these things I will see. Yeah. This is how it's.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Interesting. So, yes, yes. Sorry, you're saying something?
No, no. The main thing is like who is backing the project and economics. These are the main thing and market. These are the three main things in fundamental analysis.
And
I see. Yeah.
and now moving towards the technical analysis. So if you can, shows your pivot to trading terminal, and shows how to enter into a trade, and usse pehle, what are the charts or technical analysis, or factors you consider, and how you enter, or how you add your stop loss. If you can share more on that front. Again, we can't hear you. Okay. If you can, okay. Now, can you rejoin? I think some issue. If you can rejoin, so sorry guys. He'll be rejoining. Let's see. Meanwhile, आप लोग के पास अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है कुछ है तो you can definitely ask. Yeah, he's here. Let's see.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me now, Sudhakar?
Yes, yes, lot better.
Okay. Yeah. I- So I hope you are able to hear me.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Um,
So we can share your screen and tell us how to enter into trade, and उससे पहले आप क्या क्या analysis करते हो, particularly technical analysis of that
yeah.
project.
Let me share my screen. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sharing my screen. You can. I think you can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Yeah. Okay. So my trading strategy actually is actually simple. I mean, I will draw the lines in high time frame first, and then I will come down to daily and 4 hour time frame. So let's say this is the BTC chart. Okay.
You can
This
do a
is
full screen.
what.
Yeah, better.
Okay. Okay, this is the BTC chart. So this is the plain chart, and here we can see price action of the Bitcoin. So from this point to here, this point, right? Uh, this is the ranging market. Okay, so let me. So this is the bottom. last year bottom. So if we see here, we can clearly see the trend. The trend is going up, and I actually use moving averages ribbon. So if you
Okay.
see the moving averages, this is the let
A simple
me
moving average.
yeah, this is a simple moving average. Yeah, even exponentially would be better. Let me. So I normally use exponential moving average, and so the short time frame will be 18, 20, 21, and 100 will be the mid time frame.
Guys, you can note this time slots of
Mm.
the moving, EMA. It's very important.
Yeah. So yeah, correct. So I for short term, right? It would be like 18, 20, 21. This cluster I use. So few will use 9 and 12. Few will use 21, 50, 100.
Nine
But
twenty one 63. I've seen couple of
yeah,
people doing that.
yeah. So I use this one as a cluster. So if you see here, uh, on weekly time frame, right? So
Okay.
this yeah when this one bounced off the of the bottom and crossed this cluster, and it is now acting as a support. So here, let me else here, this one, right? So it moved up, and it closed above the moving average, and then again here it acted as a support, and then here it deviated. So out of these three times, here we deviated, but two times we saw that 21 moving average is acting as a support. So if I want to take the trade, I would take a trade after the closing candle here, after 21 I mean at 21 moving average, and once so I can see the higher high here. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, so this one here I will take the trade, and this is the higher high. I will not come out, and once it bounced here, right, and then I will put the stop loss here. So here it got stopped out, but the my trade I took is here. So it's something like some 19-20% or something. So it would be same. So and then it deviated here, and it bounced off the support again here. Again, if we take the trade here and put the stop loss here, uh, then we will then we will be moving uh, a stop loss depending on wherever it touched the support. So even here, right, you are able to see it bounced off the support. So this is my trading strategy, um, in terms of yeah, I mean technically I use this. So even not, but if we see ohm and go to the daily time frame, right? Sorry.
So what is the time frame usually you select? 15 minutes or 5 minutes?
No, I actually I used daily time frame, 1 day time frame.
So you generally put very longer trades.
Yeah, correct. Because the thing is, in short time frame, there will be more manipulations, and it's a very easy to hit our stop loss. Right. So it's not that I will use only daily time frame. I will use daily time frame to see whether it touches the 21 moving average, and then I will go to the 4 hours time frame. And if you see, sorry, and a 4 hours time frame, right? And if you see this one, in 4 hours it respected the 100-day moving average. Sorry, 100 day moving here you see, you saw that, right? 100-day moving average. So I will see whether it formed a higher high in lower time frame after hitting the 21 moving average on daily time frame. So I will move towards the down of the curve. First, I will take a weekly or daily time frame, and I will try to spot exact bottom, and then move down the curve and see whether um, it printed a higher highs in 4 hour 1 hour time frame, and then I will take that trade and I will move on. So generally, right, there is only two types of market: one, trending market, and then ranging market. If you
Right.
see this one, this is trending here, and then when we come here, right, this one, now here, this one is ranging. So trending market, I will use moving averages or trend lines to trade. But in ranging market, right, I will draw the extremes here. You can see this extreme, right?
Right.
I trade on the extremes. So if the trend is on higher time frame, if the trend is towards, it is the uptrend, then I won't take short positions. So here, if you see this, right, so first it touched here and went again, it came to the support and went to the top range, and then again, we got so many trades here, right? So but I don't want to take that risk to short here. Instead, whenever it comes here, I will take one. First one, we don't know, and I will not take. In second one, right here, I will take the trade, and then stop loss will go here. And when I will cut my position here. I will not wait until here, and then again I will wait until bottom of the range. I will take the trade, and stop losses will go here. So this kind of things in trading, right, everything is probability. We cannot say this will go up for sure, right? It's
Right.
probability. Out of 10 trades, if you hit 6 or 7 trades, or at least 5 trades, then you will be in profits only if you have stop losses. If I don't have stop loss, right, if it sends a wick like this, and my position is liquidated, then that's all. Then it will be reversed. So it doesn't depend on how many trades you win. So even if I win 9 trades, one trade got liquidated, then my entire position will be done. So that's the risk management. We have to use the risk management to make sure that your portfolio, I mean, your position is still there. You can trade the next, even if you hit the stop loss, and then that's fine. Yeah, that's how I used to arranging markets.
Got it. So apart from this EMI indicator and time frame of 1 day or 4 hours, do you use any kind of indicators to
Um,
troubleshoot
yeah,
kind?
correct. So this ranging thing, I mean, I will use other indicators for confluence. So for example, let me take the BTC chart or RV chart or something like that. Okay. So here, right, you see, I draw this. I'm using Fibonacci extension here.
Right. Okay.
So okay, so so if you, this is the bottom, and this is the top. So for me, it should bounce at 0.382 Fibonacci series or 0.618. So there is a two probabilities, and then I will see the support. So which one holds more support? So here, right, we have we have this support. We have this support. So yeah, so I will use a Fibonacci series, Fibonacci extension as a confluence. But with the Fibonacci, I will always see the support as well. 0.382 has support or not. 0.618 has a good support. So this is one tool I use. Fibonacci will give a very I mean, good results. So even if you see render here, right? So see here, it is using. I mean, it is. Okay, let me see. This is the render. if you draw Fibonacci series here, I drawn here. So it is respecting 0.38. Okay. So here the formed here. It is respecting 0.382, and you also use this volume profile. You can see on the right side, right? Volumes.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So the accumulation is happening here. You can see the more volume is happening here. Let me see. So this one I will use, and in higher time frame, right? I use a stochastic RSI and relative. I mean relative strength index. I use. So if
Okay,
you
RSI. Okay.
yeah, RSI. So let me show you the weekly time frame. Okay, if we go to weekly time frame, so okay, this one. Okay, let's see. If you see here, whenever the stochastic RSI, so leave this one. This is the bear market. Okay, in bear market I don't use, I don't use the bottoms. Let me show you. So this is the stochastic RSI. Here here it started the bull market, so I will not take any position here because we don't know, the structure is not broken. It is only here the structure was broken, so it formed a higher high and it touched this one, right? And then if you see here from here. So here stochastic RSI is at bottom. Even here it is at bottom, below 20. So from here, whenever it touches, if we take a trade here, and we can see, we can take until here stochastic RSI, and then I will let me say I am out of the trade, and then again stochastic RSI came in down here. Okay, so you saw, you can let me zoom in this one. I'm not sure if you're able to see this. Okay, so this candle, right? This is the candle where the stochastic RSI was bottomed out. Okay, again from here it went up, but I will not only use stochastic RSI. I will use a stochastic RSI and also this moving average, right? Whether it touched the moving average or not, and also I may see the Fibonacci for the confluence. So this is the bottom. Let me draw the Fibonacci here. This is the bottom, and here see, you see here, right? It touched
Right.
0.3182 and then it bounced here. So it depends, right? Everything is, if 3, 4 indicators is showing the same thing and it's showing that it is going to move up, then yeah, I will take that trade. But see, I won't take much trades at range high. I will try to take trades at range low, and then I will add to the trades. For example, if I trade take the trade here, I will add up another trade here. Okay. Yeah, that's how it will go. Maybe in bear market, right? I will use the stochastic set to short the coins. The same thing. So here 21 moving average. Every time it hit, it pulled down the market. So that's how I used to trade. I use technical indicators.
Got it. Got it. So even if now we do a lot of fundamental analysis and technical analysis, there is a some chance, right? Our trades might go wrong. So in that case, like, how do you ensure, or what is your tip to our traders, that how should they, like, maintain
Yeah.
their risk, as uh, how they control their loss, and how should they plan their risk appetite over there.
Correct, correct. Yeah, so that's what I actually am mentioning. So for sure, when I am taking the trade, I should know my limitations and invalidations. So if I am taking long position here, I should know where I should invalidate my trade. So if it goes below this point, for sure, it should. I should be out of the trade. losses in trading in your trading terminal. For example, in 542, right? So I can use the stop losses and all. So so in every action. So that's the thing. That's the first thing you need to use stop losses. That is the first thing. Even I mean that's the thing. See here, you need to use the stop loss, and you should know before you enter the trade where to exit and where to uh, enter, and where you have to invalidate the trade. That is the one thing. And also you need to split your portfolio. Like if I have 1 lakh in INR, I should not go and put all the 1 lakh INR in render in one trade. Since it is at 0.312 and moving averages, everything is showing good, because we don't know, right? It is crypto, and it's very volatile. So I will split that into 5 trades. I will take 20,000 and put in render for 20,000, and I have four more. I can take 4 more trades with the other 4 20,000s. Okay, so I will wait for the opportunity. For example, Ondo. So if I take the trade render here, somewhere here, right? So it's from past how many days? From 12 days it is hovering over here, but Ondo, right? Um, if I take the trade, I should have made some. See, in 5 days, 8 hours, I should have made some profits. So it's the same thing. If it's not under, then there will be another opportunity. But you have to split the portfolio, and you should not put all your money in a single trade.
Just
Yeah,
trade
we
or
have this, right. Don't put all your apples in same basket or eggs in same basket. So it's the same thing. Yeah, so that's the one thing. And a stop loss and limit orders. And so one thing is, right, when you are trading, you have to trade like a bot. You should be a bot, you should not have any emotions. Okay, so you should make the rules. See, actually I made the rule whenever I take the trades, right? So this is the thing I use. So I will see this: don't overtrade, be a sniper, and get high
this is
convictions
very
chart.
interesting. Like,
Huh?
this is very
Yeah,
interesting. Yeah.
yeah, correct. And don't trade charts, don't trade news. So news, right? If we get news now in 5 minutes, right? We are seeing that's a fake news, and the charts are going against our trade. And don't FOMO in any coin. So we have to trade like a bot. That's what I'm saying.
It's a
Yeah.
nice line. Trade like a
Yeah.
bot.
Yeah, trade like a bot. You should not have any emotions. Make have you should have rules. Have stop loss, have take profit. You take profit after some. If you are aiming for some 30% or 100% gains, right? Take profit at 20%. 30. I mean, if you get 20% gains, then take 30% of your portfolio out, and let the remaining continue run, so that 1 week won't damage your gains, right? So these and all things I use. Yeah.
Got it. You just mentioned that don't trade the news, trade the chart. Still, I think a lot of price movements are happening because of a lot of news. For example, recently Sui collaborated with Google, right? And if some new project is coming on Solana or Layer One projects, then or some meme coins or on some like projects on that particular Layer One are going up or
Mm,
doing
mm.
interesting news, then also this Layer One things goes up, right? So, so do you
Yeah.
follow news, particular
uh,
news, and how do you analyze
no,
and the recent
yeah.
events that actually made you like helped you in terms of your trade?
Mm. Yeah, so actually, I have to rewrite this. Don't FOMO into news. I have to put that. Okay.
Right,
If
right.
you see the news, then go to the charts and see which whether you can trade or not. I can say that. I mean, I have that in mind, but in writing, I just put this. So recently, right, we have a news that Nvidia. Nvidia earnings and
uh,
Apple AI news. Okay.
right.
Uh, yeah, we know that will be happening in May 22nd. May 22nd it happened. So
Okay, the earnings
from
of Nvidia,
yeah,
right?
earning report we got. So
Okay.
I mean, at least 50 to 60% sure that Nvidia will get the good earnings, and that will result in a AI pump. Okay,
Right.
so I took the trades in April. So in April, I think at the end of the April, we got these weeks, right? These things. I mean, at the mid of the April or something. The market went down. So when it went down, I took this trade. These trades for render only. I took. I didn't take render and all view. I took those trades. So if we know the news, right? So for example, next month so and so is happening. Next month so and so is happening. There will be a ETH ETFs happening. So these are preempted news. We know it will happen. So we have to take the trades when the market when goes down, and then sell while the news is being released. So that's how I trade actually. So this went on here, and I bought this render, and I sold it somewhere here, and all. I actually had the buy zone here. Actually I got these coins at 24. 24 I got these things. And if you see now, I think ETH ETF is going to be I mean, we will get the ETH ETF maybe start trading by end of this month or somewhere in between this month. So the better thing is we can trade the L2s on it. See, if we see the optimism, right? The good L2, it is perfectly testing the trend lines here. So we are near this trend line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how I take the trades. So I see the weekly chart, and I could see it went down, and it is now hovering over here. So the thing I will go to the daily charts now, whether it is forming higher highs or not. When we see here, right? Uh, so the trend, right? Yeah. So if it moves above here, and moves above the trend line, and closes there convincingly, then I may take a trade by having the stop losses below here. Right, somewhere here below here. So because optimism, so next 1 month, right? Optimism, arbitrum, all these things, L2s from the ETH and meme coins in ETH, Pepe, these things. See, everything is in support. Yeah, this is the arbitrum. So this is near the support at lower part of the range. Uh,
Right.
yeah. So everything is loyal part of the range. So next 1 month, I think um, uh, these L2s and the ETH narrative will may is the trade. ETH narrative is the trade for next uh, 1 month. So
Why do you say that? Like any particular event or research?
so
Uh,
Ethereum ETF is not
ETF.
yet started trading. So
Right.
they just approved 19B forms. I mean, S1 forms is not yet approved. So we are still early, and maybe until we get the ETF approved and trading started, these may run. That's my like. That's how I trade the. So even you see, right, stochastic RSI is at the bottom on daily time frame.
Right. So, guys, yeah, although this is the I know tip from the expert, still you have to do your own research. And also we have like a lot of new pets we recently added, right? So around, it's around probably more than 65 new pets, sorry, no, like overall pairs, and around 7 8 new pets. And also, as Sai just mentioned, so this L2 Ethereum L2 projects might go up, and I think we have a lot of Ethereum L2 and other L2s also listed on our platform, like Lido, Arbitrum, just mentioned, and Ethereum itself. So yeah, so you can go explore, those pairs, and do your research, and you can put your trades over there. Yes, sorry, go ahead, Sai.
Yeah, and this is not a financial advice. So every see the risk tolerance is different for different people, right? So if I take the trade here, so it's the lower part of the range is still 27% on. I mean, I am not going to take trade here. I will see a red day, and then I will take a trade here. Let's see. This is the thing, right?
Yes.
I will see a Fibonacci retracement tool. I will use the. It's nowhere. It's below 0.38 and above 0. It
The
doesn't
voice
touch
is
me.
again cracking.
Are you able to hear me now?
Still cracking a bit.
Okay. Let me. Uh, is it good now?
Yeah, better.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what the risk tolerance for everyone is different. So you have to take your own risk management and trade depending upon your risk. Okay. But ensure that you have stop losses. So one thing with stop losses is if we have stop losses, it will hit many times. But still, if we hit stop loss 5 times, and if we get one trade correct, and if we get the trade to 20-30%, then we will be in profit. So stop is
Right.
a must for risk management. Yeah.
Interesting. Got it. Also, I think I have one or two last questions. And
Mhm.
so you just mentioned, right, because of the Ethereum ETF, the Ethereum and Ethereum L2 pairs might go up, and they can trade. Also, if there is, and recently you said Nvidia earnings and also Nvidia market cap recently, went ahead of Apple and all that. So do you have any upcoming, events or things that our traders should keep a watch on it, and they should track those events to understand, okay, these events might help me trade better in those particular pairs. Again, we can't hear you. Oh no, still we can't. Yeah, yeah, please rejoin, and let's see. So meanwhile, again, guys, if you have any questions for Sai, anything related to the platform, even I would love to answer those questions, and anything related to understanding the market analysis or fundamental analysis. So you can definitely share your questions, and we'll ask Sai to answer those questions. Okay, here it is. Yes. No, Sai, you can't hear you. Oh,
Are you able to hear me now?
yes, it's
You
better now.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So you were asking something like, okay, at this point, right?
Yeah, key events.
Yeah, at this point, I can see only ETH ETF as the main thing, right? Because if you see ETH BTC chart, it got reversed. So let me share the screen.
Yes.
Uh, okay, I think there is some issue with sharing the screen.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, that's okay. Actually, if we see ETH BTC chart, right? So normally we see ETH INR, ETH USDT, but the ETH to the BTC pair, now it got reversed, and ETH is overperforming the BTC. So
Okay.
every time, right? Yeah,
In terms
every
of
time.
volume, or how do you say that?
Sorry?
In terms of volume,
No, no. In terms of price
yes.
action,
As a
okay.
price action.
Price action. So, for example, like if we hold, I mean, if we for example, if we hold one ETH now, so it is overperforming the BTC, and if we sold the ETH to the BTC in next 2 days, then we will get more BTC than we had. So this thing, like the same INR pair, so it is overperforming. So the price action of ETH is going up compared to BTC. So this thing, right? So every 4 years cycle, every bull market, this is happening. The volume, money is flowing from BTC to Ethereum, Ethereum to uh, large cap altcoins, and then to low cap coins. So, but this time, right, memes outperformed everything. But again, so this is the start of the alt season. If ETH is overperforming the Bitcoin, then this is the start of the
Also.
alt season, and we are preempting the ETH ETF. Yeah, these things. And for ETH ETF, right? So once the trading is started, we may see this sell pressure from grayscale. I'm not sure, but that's what happened in terms of BTC. Once trading was started, we got some 10% down, 10 or 15% down. BTC was down for next 10 to 14 days, and then it regained the price. So that's what. So that is I'm thinking that. So until that, the price may run, and then we may see it down. But it's all we have to see the price action at that point of the time to come from. Yeah.
Right. So as you mentioned, yeah, I just checked like Bitcoin grown up around 13% in the last 1 month, wherein Ethereum is around 25, so almost double.
Yeah,
Uh,
correct.
Interesting. Nice. Yes, I thank you so much. And again, I'm coming to the audience. If you guys have any, if you have any questions regarding the trade or the market or anything, any pair, you can go ahead. Otherwise, we'll close the session.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sudhakar, for this time and opportunity. Uh,
So we should thank you for
yeah,
sharing such interesting insights.
mm,
All right, we don't have any questions for now, so great. We can close the session. Thank you so much, Sai, for
yeah,
coming here, sharing your knowledge.
yeah, thanks, Sudhakar. Thanks.
All right, guys, and if you want to, if you're already, an user of Pi 42, then download our updated app. We recently updated a lot of things like interesting, the leaderboard, and we're also coming up with the contest leaderboard as well. So you can see and uh, you know you can see the your chart in terms of PNL and referrals and volume, and also in contest are coming up, so you can see the ongoing contest and how you are popping on this contest as well. And also as part of the 15 days 15 pairs, we are launching daily pairs, like every day we're listing one new pair. We also did it today, and we'll be doing it until I think 13th or 14th of this month. So go check out the platform, the application, and trade your interesting pairs. I think I just mentioned, right, we have around 65 pairs, and in next 7 8 days we are coming also daily one pair, so it would be more than 70 pairs again, and we're doing some interesting contests, referral contests, trading contests. So just go and check out. And if you have any questions or something, ping us on DM on Twitter, or also you can join our Telegram as well. Right? Thank you so much, guys. Take care.